When it comes to pet stains and odors, I have tried everything, and I've had the most success with enzymatic cleaners. Now, Active just gifted me their enzymatic cleaner, and I already know this is going to be fantastic, as everything I've tried from Active is top-notch and does what is promised. And not only is this an enzymatic cleaner that's going to help remove stains and odors, but it is fantastic for your family as well. Let me show you. Now, because it's enzymatic, it is pet-friendly, fabric safe. It's great for multiple services. It's made in the USA, and this has a fresh citrus smell, so you can really use it on anything to get any mess cleaned. And when it comes to what's in it, it is a blend of enzymes and probiotics to break down those stains and odors. I got 2 opportunities to test this odor and stain remover this past weekend. The first one is, I don't know what is on the carpet here, but I sprayed it. I did give it about 6 minutes. I could have given it longer, and then was able to pat it all out. I gave it an extra spray and was able to clean that out completely, no issue at all. One thing I really love about this deodorizer is the smell is wonderful. It's a very light orange citrus smell. You can barely smell it when you use it. It's just refreshing, and it goes away very quickly. And then the next thing I cleaned was chocolate that had gotten on our couch. This took it up no problem, really fast. Again, I didn't actually wait because it wasn't that big of a stain. I only gave it a couple minutes and then patted it out, and it came right out, no issue. And while I was cleaning these, I was specifically worried about just spraying my couch without testing. And when I was reading the back of the bottle, I noted that not only is it designed to clean carpet, rugs, furniture, mattresses, wood, and floors, but you can also use this to clean plants and soil. So if you have an animal that's been doing something to your plants, this is plant friendly. And once I saw that, I realized that I had no concerns because it is just enzymatic. It's not going to do anything damaging. It really is just meant to take out that odor and stain. And right now, I am confident I'm going to get more of this when I use this all up. The Active Odor and Stain Eliminator.